I finally found a room full of interesting people who wanted to talk to me. And then the building told us to leave. We often think, I will introduce myself later. I will contact that person next week. Or I'll attend next event. But sometimes the metaphorical fire alarms goes off. You see, opportunities have a limited window. Say hello now. Ask the question now. Exchange the contact now. Take the opportunity now. Remember, sometimes opportunities knock quietly, and sometimes it comes with the fire alarm.